Wait. It's right there. You see that? And my water bottle as well. Oh my gosh, you're full of sands, Launi.
But you're not.
You can no, you don't wear your shoes. Just hold it. Bring it. Yeah, like that. Okay. Good job, Sloan. No, you don't need to wear it, baby. Ah, it's gonna be full of sand. Okay, let's go. Shake off your sands first on your feet. Oh, bless you. Look at the sun, guys. Oh, sobrang pipino na pink na pink. Ang linis niya. As in. My gosh, this one is really beautiful place. What are you doing? We can come back here again next time. I think we can bring Keegan. Yeah, he's gonna like it here. Sobrang ganda. As in talaga. I did. I have it in my hands. Ayan guys, ito yung pataas. So, this is a private place, I guess. Private beach. So, there's not much parking. So, I hope hindi tayo na. hindi tayo na tikitan do sa parking natin. Salamat sa inyong panonood. And don't forget to subscribe.